WTEYA SHOG appeared at the 2024 National Coal Mine Environmental Protection Conference to share environmental science and technology innovation achievements. At the meeting, WTEYA demonstrated a series of technical equipment for coal chemical industry wastewater treatment, including self-developed and produced efficient evaporator equipment and ultrafiltration, reverse osmosis, and other membrane treatment equipment. Through a number of successful cases to share on the site, the participants' intuitive feel WTEYA is professional strength and project experience in the field of coal chemical wastewater treatment. As a one-stop turnkey service provider in the field of coal chemical wastewater treatment, WTEYA can provide comprehensive and professional services from the preliminary planning and design of wastewater treatment projects to equipment supply, installation and commissioning, as well as later operation and maintenance.